Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get easily refund from Hostinger and what you need to do. So when you're going to be in Hostinger, you want to click, let's say, to domains. Here I'm going to have website style, e-commerce style, whatever, and I'm going to click here on the manage, and here you're gonna have cancel domain. So let's say I'm going to cancel it. It's like 2026, and you want to click on it. So that's the first step. And then what you want to do is that what I would definitely recommend are two things. The first thing, if I go to help, I'm going to go to payments and refunds, and I'm going to click here, I want to get a refund. So here you're going to have right here to customer support. You can chat with them, or if you want to, you can write them email that, okay, I want to get a refund. And now you're gonna have a request refund. So if it's like early order, here you're gonna find a list of paid invoices in the last 30 days. In here you're gonna just press a refund. So that's how it's done, and that's how you can do it. And this is how you're gonna get a refund from Hostinger. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video gave you a little bit of value on how you can get refund with Hostinger. And have a great day, and goodbye.